right there. Like it's big. Corona. Full.
That fucking laugh was like the top tier. That was like final boss laughing. Holy shit.
Why? Was it evil? I'm here as long as you'll deal with me. I'll deal with you forever and ever. We're gonna be in hell together in 7. I will torment you. You will be screaming day and night. Yeah. Yeah. Forever. Forever and ever. How does that sound? Does that sound good? Why you huff and puff? Because I can't.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Mom,
Yeah?
you are a mod, right?
I am. Yes,
So what
yeah.
you can do is do a real shout out. Can I get a shout out for Darth Rips?
Shout out for Darth Rips!
Try to jump. Nope. Failed. I can't even talk. What the fuck was that? What? Vulnerable.
Yeah.
I got saggy testes. That's There you go.
I'm sorry to admit this on stream so publicly, but after your schoolgirl stream, it was I came so much I had to go to a doctor because I was worried that I was malfunctioning, like there was something really wrong with me. It was a problem.
Did it go 26 feet?
You know, I didn't measure. I probably should have.
Okay.
Because I you know, the thing is like I don't think of myself as a competitive jizzer. I think of myself more as like a pro level amateur. Okay, like, you know, like Olympic athletes aren't necessarily professionals, so I'm not in the pros, but I'm definitely at the Olympic level. Okay.